Hi, so today we're going to be talking about solving linear equations. You should have done some of this in high school, but I think it's good to have a little refresher. Here, let me grab a pen. So, basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for the variable. And we know that we're trying to solve for the variable because it is set equal to 0. Or typically when there is an equal sign, that means that it can be solved. So we have 0 equals negative 2v plus 9. We want to get this variable by itself. And to do that, we want to first get our like terms on opposites, not like terms, sorry. We want to get our different terms on opposite sides. So to do that, we can do the inverse. If we minus 9 from this side, it will get rid of this 9 because 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. But whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we have negative 9 on this side. So negative 9 is equal to negative 2v. And to get the v by itself now, we can divide by negative 2 on both sides. And then when we do that, we have since we have both a negative on the top and a negative on the bottom, we can cross out those negatives. So we have 9 halves equals v. And then it wants it to be in a simplified fraction rather than an improper fraction. So how we can do that is, basically we want to see how many times this goes into that. So 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over. So we have 4 and 1/2. Is equal to v. If we put that into decimal form, that would be 4.5. And that is our answer for the first one. It will, in Hawks, it will have the v equals, and then you have your box. So you don't even have to put v in there. So this next one is the same kind of deal. We have 0 equals negative 7y minus 28. And what we can do is we can add 28 to both sides. That gets rid of this 28. So we have 28 is equal to negative 7y. And then we can divide by negative 7, which will give us negative 4 is equal to y. That would be our answer for this one. The next question we have is negative 3y plus 18 equals 0. And again, we're just doing examples because I think that the more practice you get, the more intuitive it will come to you. Yeah. So we want to minus 18 from both sides to get rid of the 18. And then we have negative 3y is equal to negative 18. And we can divide both sides by negative 3. And that gives us y is equal to, I'm blanking. Sorry, 6. Positive 6. Can't believe I forgot that one. That's one of the easier ones. This one is our last one. We have 0 is equal to 6y minus 40. We can add 40 to both sides. So 40 is equal to 6y because we want to get rid of 40. And then divide by 6. And that's not going to give us a really easy answer. So we have 40 divided by 6. We want to find terms that will fit into both. So they're both even, so we can divide both sides by 2. Which will give us 20 over 3. And that's as far as simplified as it can go. So 20 over 3 is equal to y. However, I keep forgetting it doesn't want it to be in improper fractions like this. So, oh wait, actually maybe it's okay with that. It's a simplified. My bad, I misinterpreted that. Simplified just means that it's in its lowest terms. So this would not be simplified because it can go down more, but this would be simplified, and it's okay that it's improper. My bad. If you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, have a good day.